Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about some must-do things for your OET speaking test. So the very first thing is, whenever you're provided with the role play card, try to go through it, and if you're unsure about any of the information, try to communicate that with your examiner so that you become clear about it. Second thing is, take charge of the role play. Because you're a health professional or a healthcare professional, you may be a doctor or you may be a nurse, so you are the person who should initiate the conversation. So always take charge of the role play. Third thing is, if you're unsure about any information which is provided in the role play card while you are conversing or while you're into the role play, you can always refer to the card and be sure or make sure about the information which you're unsure about. Next thing is, always try to explain the medical terms. For example, if you are indicating any kind of medications or higher healthcare treatments which the examiner might not be familiar about, you should always try to explain those medical terms. And always be prepared to use those medical terms which are not already present in the role play card. It will greatly help you. And always try to respond to the interlocutor. Interlocutor in the sense the examiner who is sitting in front of you. During the role play, that person either becomes the patient or maybe the relative of the patient. So always try to respond to that person to what all queries there is, and always maintain an eye contact with them. And finally, always make sure that they are able to grasp whatever kind of information you are trying to convey to them. So these are some of the must-do things you should take care of before you start your speech based upon the role play card or the medical condition you are provided with. And I hope this was useful and informative. Thank you.